Hello, I am Praman and I am here to tell you everything that I know about the birds. So let's start. This is a swan. This is also a swan. These two, and this. These three are cranes. Okay? And you have guessed what bird is this. This is a flamingo. This is a heron. Okay? This is, you have guessed it, right? This is a duck. And this is also a duck. Goose, cock, hen, myna, hoopoe, peacock, woodpecker. Can you see this woodpecker? This is a woodpecker. And that is also a woodpecker. This is a sparrow. Okay, this is a sparrow. Okay, and this bird, can you see this? This is a swallow. This is an owl. Eagle, vulture. These two are parrots. This and this. This is a parakeet. It looks a lot like parrot. This is a hawk. These three sitting on a branch are sparrows. This big bird is a kingfisher. These are common birds laying eggs in their nest. These are common birds laying eggs in their nest. And now it's time to explain me some birds for you. Okay? Now I will start with eagle, vulture, and hawk. Okay? These have sharp claws called talons. It helps them to catch live prey like toads and rats. Okay? This is eagle, vulture, and hawk. Now comes for the duck. Duck, and this is a duck. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. 3 front toes join together to make a web. And it helps them to push water back while swimming. Thank you. Bye. Farewell until the next video. Bye.